your help. I place all the product links in the description. The PowerXL Smokeless Grill with tempered glass lid with interchangeable griddle plate and turbo speed smoke extractor technology is the ultimate indoor grilling solution. This innovative grill provides a convenient and effective way to cook your favorite char-grilled meals without any of the smoke that comes with outdoor grilling. One of the standouts is its tempered glass lid, which provides an easy way to monitor your food as it cooks. The lid also helps to lock in moisture and flavor, ensuring that your food comes out tender and juicy every time. This versatile accessory allows you to cook a wide range of foods, from pancakes and eggs to burgers and steaks. And because the griddle plate is non-stick, cleanup is a breeze. Another key feature of this turbo speed smoke extractor technology. This advanced technology works to extract smoke and odor from the grill, which means you can enjoy your char-grilled meals without worrying about smoke filling your kitchen or home. One of the biggest advantages is that it allows you to cook indoors, even when the weather outside is less than ideal. Whether it's raining, snowing, or just too cold to grill outside, this indoor grill provides a convenient and reliable way to enjoy your favorite grilled meals year-round. Another benefit is it's easy to use and clean. Simply plug it in, set the temperature, and you're ready to start grilling. And when you're done, the non-stick griddle plate and removable drip tray make cleanup a breeze. Overall, the PowerXL Smokeless Grill with tempered glass lid with interchangeable griddle plate and turbo speed smoke extractor technology is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned griller or just starting out, this indoor grill provides a convenient and effective way to cook your favorite char-grilled meals with virtually no smoke. And with its versatile griddle plate, easy-to-use controls, and easy clean design, it's sure to become a go-to appliance in your home.